it's pretty self-explanatory what we're doing here today. We're going to be reviewing this tire air pump. You can pick these up for like $29.99 at Advance Auto. This one was on sale, $23, I think. Go check them out. If it's good. I ain't telling you go watch the video first, because this is a F-150 that we have here on the channel, and the tires leak off quite like every 4 hours. And the tires is pretty much junk because of these chrome rims on the inside is peeling and stuff, and the bead can't seal off, so they just leak. As I said, you get put 60 pounds in it, about 4 hours of use out of these rims. They junk. Now, I did do a poll on my YouTube channel. If you not subscribed, get subscribed, because I do enjoy you guys' feedback. And everybody voted for these. Let me show you. This set of Mustang rims here, we got adapters for it. We can do something about the center cap, you know, take the horse off of it. But these was what everybody voted for to go on an F-150. Before we do, we have to get some tires, so I probably could do for all 4, maybe 3, but you might as well buy them in a set. These are pretty too. These are stock Mustang. 17 inches. Check them out. I mean, I do like these, but do we like the black better? I might have to take a picture with this on the ground and do another poll. The black versus these. But you didn't come here to hear about rims, did you? You came here, set this here so it'll roll off. Well, it makes a little noise on the inside. I don't think it's going to be extremely well packaged. It's not. Let's take a look. It has nothing in it, just instructions. On the instructions, we got tire inflator. Basically tells you how to use it in a couple different languages. And overall, it does feel beefy. Got an on and off switch. Now, I dealt with these that has the built-in slime, and I'm not a fan. I always had issues out of them. I had one on the channel, and the button messed up. And then it started drawing too much power, and it burnt the plug-in up. Now, maybe it's me trying to air a completely flat tire up for longer than it should be. But I don't know. Maybe this one's better quality. It sure does look better. Feels better. On the inside, we got this little fit in here. Got some lift to it. We got a nice pressure gauge, and we got the 12-volt power. Goes under here. That's a nice place for it. So we could easily put this under a seat or somewhere like that, and this looks to be in a mess. It's not particularly you can see it was tangled on the thing, so whoever wrapped this around must have been on a Friday. So it hooks up with a quick connect. You just pull on this, I guess. Pull up and then it goes down, which is nice. Will it stay on? Oh, you pull up, you mesh it, and then pull up. Oh, that's a good feature. I like that. So, O is off, I would think. We go plug this into the cigarette lighter. Could be a little bit longer. Let's see if it works. It does. It bouncing around just a tad, but it's kind of cute. Now if it airs this tire up, it'll be dandy. Both of my back tires is flat. Now I do got a 100-foot air hose that I use to air these up, and you might be saying, if you got a 100-foot air hose, Why not just use that to air this up? Well, I can, but I'm doing a review on this, and if you're out at a parking lot, you don't have the air hose. So let's give this a few minutes, see if it's doing anything. I would think so, and check back on it. So it's been about 5 minutes. It's doing good, but do you hear this? It's fighting the rim. Like I said, this holds air for about 4 hours. But, to be truthful, it's working really good. It put some pounds in it. Like my formats, they need cleaned. Let's see. Not at all. No bit hot. So that's good. Don't have a lot of ampage drawing from it. So, that's a good thing. I'm going to start the air compressor and air the tires up on this the fast way. Well, I'm going to start this up. Sounds like a 4.6 with Flowmasters. While this is warming up, I'm going to go ahead and box this. There ain't much to box, but you want to take care of your equipment, because the more you take care of it, the better it's going to last. Because you toss this stuff around, you're going to damage the connector, or maybe rip off the tire thing because it'll get snagged on something. Keep your box, put it back in the box, and put it somewhere in your vehicle under the seat. Just find you a place and put it there, and just remember, if you ever need it, it's there. Also, get you a tire plug kit. You know, the one that you just stab. You know, that'd be good to go with this. Maybe a little tool set too. You know, just cover all the bases. You never know when you're gonna need it. I done got this muddy. Okay, this goes in here. And it goes back in the box the way it came out. It does. Now, in case you didn't know, I do sell on eBay. It's in the description below. Check it out. I got auto parts for sale, all kinds of stuff. You know, if you want to show me a little extra support or need a part, check it out. No, I got that. Just shove that up in there. That's probably was aggravating some people. Like, oh, you got a thing? No, I'm tired. If you can't tell, I'm tired. It's Christmas Eve, and I'm going to upload this video today, and I'm just tired. I've been up 2 days, and I still got to do inventory some today, and Christmas dinner, get it ready. I need to shave, take me a good shower, and I just ain't got enough time in the day. 24 hours just ain't enough. I need to up the hours or something. You know, I don't know about you. How you feel about that? Do you need more than 24 hours? I sure do. That goes in there. That go here. We just put that there. Back in the box it goes. Nope, that's upside down. Put it back in here. It don't fit like it. That goes. It don't fit the same exact way, but it's in the box, so that's what's matters. Matter? One of the two. And it's getting cold out. What time is it? About 2 p.m. right here in Kentucky. Temperature's starting to drop. It was nice this morning. It actually was like a warm spell, and then it's like, oh no, let's, you know, let's get the temperature dropping here. It's too nice out. Too nice out. I ain't a cold weather person. I am not. I got these LEDs here. I don't know if they fit the Ford. They from the 3800 Buick. I ain't checked yet. I hate to throw them away. They brand new. I probably could sell them on the eBay store, but I don't like selling used light bulbs. It's just a personal thing. You know, you can get these pretty cheap sometimes. These ain't a big brand name. They got their little fans on them. You know, they seem pretty nice, but I mean, what could I sell them for? $14, which ain't bad, because if I can't use them, at least money's money. Oh, I'm so tired. Well, I'm tired. Thank you for watching. I got a lot more stuff to do today. I appreciate the support. I do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's a little chaotic. It's Christmas Eve. Happy holidays. And thanks again. Get subscribed if you haven't. Only 1% of you subscribes. So hit that button.